What's up, guys?
So yeah, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. And today is a very special day. You know, in the previous video I told you about me having a room, my new house tour, but today is really my new house tour. So yeah, I'm here at Putri Harbour, and yeah, I'm gonna show you my house. You know, this is gonna be amazing. Wait, here's the thing, we haven't even go to our house yet, and now you are playing pool. What the shit is this? Look at these childish people want to play pool. Seriously, come all the way from Singapore just to play pool.
It's not every day Rosha's house, there's a pool table for us to play, you know.
Can you stop abusing my house?
As long as you don't hit the 8-ball in, you're okay, you're safe.
No, we just hit the 8-ball in, we can get out of it. So yeah, we just finished our pool game and all that, you know, it's pretty damn late. Who won, guys? Who won?
Me.
Shut up, you won the futsal. We also played futsal, you know. I was freaking leading by far, like I was down by 4-0 and I got back at 5-5 and this guy won me. What the hell? But it's not fair play, fair play, fair play, fair play, fair play.
Look at it.
Fair play, fair play. If you guys look at this, like every or the other rooms, right, it's like no security. Mine has extra security, you know, fam. Hey, put it inside lah. I installed a gate for a reason, you know. Come on. This is my new home, you know, got a kitchen around, it's pretty much basic, there's no renovation whatsoever, but yeah, it's pretty cool. This is amazing, you know, dining table, bedroom just right here. I know it's pretty small, but you know, that's what I can afford. And check this damn view, boys! Oh my god!
It's disturbing other people, guys.
Get tiger! Then if you can zoom in right there, that is Aki Matsuri. Just right there. You know, we are going there for Aki Matsuri, but now just enjoy this damn view. Oh my god. This is absolute majestic. Yeah, it's there.
We are not walking there, guys.
This place is lit and you are so high up you can see the clouds. Oh my god, this is so damn cool.
There's no cute girls.
Why are you looking at cute girls? That's an old woman. So what is up, guys, and welcome to the next part of the damn video.
Crazy.
I am crazy. So I found something that was on my parcel yesterday. It is the why must you do that? So yeah, we got this brand new color IZ. Oh my god, you can't really see it, but the album is right here by IZ1. You know, so this is the cover. Is by IZ1. I don't know. I'm Malay, so I pronounce it as IZ1. You know,
IZ1.
He Chinese, so he can say that. I'm Malay, so I say IZ1. IZ1. So yeah, I'm gonna open this. Let's see how to open it.
Let's hope it doesn't break the album.
I pray I don't break the damn album also. Why do you have a fork? Oh my god, no! Oi, what the shit? Oi, by the way, this is not sponsored. If you think I'm sponsored by Stone Entertainment, I should be.
This is sponsored by Singapore Polytechnic, SP Productions.
You're not even from SP, you know that.
No.
We are not even from SP, and you're trying to promote SP for what?
Hey, I'm for SP.
Okay, let's go.
So yeah, this is the cover. We're gonna open the cover, see what is inside. Ooh.
It's a rainbow.
It's pretty nice.
Let's
though.
keep it PG-13.
Pretty nice though. Oh my god, they actually have this. Whoa, look at that. It's an entire collage of the burgers. Wow, this is actually damn long.
Hey, I think you can hold my...
Look at it. This is damn long, yeah. Okay, let me just show you who my bias is.
Oh, okay.
Yuri.
Then you should close that.
Wait, I can't find my bias inside here. Where is my bias? Oh, my bias is behind.
She's not here.
Okay.
Hey, careful.
My bias is, of course, the leader of IZ1.
Same of tennis thing.
Quantum B is that's so big. She reminds me of Irene from Red Velvet. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of Irene. The most important thing is which CD did I get? Okay, because the thing is right, it's basically a random. Okay, so I want to see. Now we're gonna see who I get for the CD. Ready?
Say.
3, 2, 1. You kidding me? Oh, Joe Yuri! Okay, because I'm also a fan of Joe Yuri because I also watch Idol School. So yeah, I got Joe Yuri, so I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna trade. I got it. No! Seriously?
And Lee Cha-yeon.
Those are my favorite three also. Those are my top 3.
An Yoo-jin.
But An Yoo-jin is damn cute also.
Guys,
Oh my god, I
guys.
got basically my members.
It's printed sign.
Oh my god! And there's also a message. What are the chances of you getting 3 of your favorite members inside one? What do you call this? Follow card.
I don't know. Bromide.
Bromide? What do you mean bromide? It sounds like Marmite. Yeah, I was about to say
Bromide is the Japanese one for same thing. Okay, never mind, it's okay. It's Korean.
Sorry, we Singaporean.
Yeah, we are probably Singaporean.
And then you get...
Can you show your face, please? I can't see you. Hi. Okay, enough, get out of sight. Alright, so we got Kwon Eun-bi, Miyawaki Sakura, and Lee Chae-yeon. You know, this really is like, I really got like 5 of my favorite members all inside here.
And then moving on, read the message from An Yoo-jin.
This is a message. I can't read Korean, so yeah. Why are you trying to censor my face?
No, not censored. You're supposed to focus it.
Okay,
Then
can't
you block-
focus.
You block the.
Lousy camera, but it's An Yoo-jin, and then on the back
sorry,
you got her.
Front camera cannot
Yeah,
focus.
she's damn cute, right? I think Sifa would like this.
Straight receive.
Because why? Freaking short hair, babe.
Just enter a moment of An Yoo-jin blocking Shah's face. That's nice. It is disgusting. Moving on.
It looks damn weird. It looks damn freaking weird.
That was very disturbing. Sorry to all the An Yoo-jin fans. I apologize for that.
We also received this one, I think some phone card as well. I don't know what this is. Oh,
No,
it's a
book-
special.
bookmarks.
Jan Woon-young Center special, you know, of the photo card. I think this is the color version. There's another one, the white color, which is the rose version.
Yeah, you can tell.
Yeah. Wait, where is? Oh, I have. Okay, basically, I have the poster at home. I didn't open the poster because it's too big. And of course I didn't bring it to JB. Why would I want to bring a poster to JB also?
You can tell it. It's dotted.
Yeah, it's a bookmark.
Let me tell for you.
Oh my god! No!
It's bookmark. It's a bookmark.
It's my adik. How many adik do I have?
Yeah, like, how many others do you want?
Do you need?
Greedy boy. I guess.
Well, human is greedy. Man is greedy.
But damn, I really got.
Everything you like.
Yeah, I really got what I really need though.
It's really.
It's really a miracle, you know.
This person.
This is really my top 5, you know. All my top 5 is all in here. And another thing is I've already ordered the Wacky Mackey's Crush, the autograph version. So I'm hoping that I can get through and win the lottery for Choi Yoo-jung because I'm a huge fan of her. If I manage to get it, of course I'll do another vlog as well.
Judging from this result, I think his luck is all gone.
I think I used all of my luck in this.
You might be unlucky for the next few years.
Can you please support me?
You can donate to him via whatever means he has.
Donate to me via PayLah.
For those with your number, good luck.
To be honest, my favorite song in this is definitely, it's not La Vie en Rose, it's Memory. Because this song just, it reminds me of my school days, to be honest. Watching the lyrics about it.
It's getting too dark here. Let's jump to the next topic.
What do you mean by what is the next topic?
We don't need to
That
know
is
your
the next
backstory.
Jamie!
So yeah guys, basically that's the end of the unboxing. Unfortunately, we wanted to go to the Putri Harbour right now to explore the Akimatsuri. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Akimatsuri, right? So right now it's really raining heavily. We can't even go out. So yeah.
No rain should stop a man from attending an event, but this man is being stopped by a rain to attend an event. Weak man.
What the hell are you talking about, fam? What the hell are you talking about?
Enjoy this.
Why are you enjoying my Yuri?
You can enjoy your vlog while I enjoy.
My vlog is pretty much over.
Oh, bye guys.
So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.